So you have a 9-year track record of no poaching. What measures do you now take to make sure that that doesn't happen?
Back in 2014, when the first poaching happened here, more than 1,000 rhinos per year were killed and poached for their horn. So I realized, it was a matter of time before, that wave would hit us. And, the first thing I did was to create intensive protection zones. Almost like when, you've got livestock, say sheep, and you want to prevent predators from killing them, you bring them into a safe place, say a pen. And that's essentially what I trained my rhino to do. The late afternoon and evenings, that's your highest risk period. So we trained the rhino to come into a safe place during night, and then we can patrol them. We have got cameras to look after them, and then we've got armed rangers on horseback. It's very intimidating for poachers when you've got rangers on horseback, because obviously they've got a very good vantage point. They're very mobile. So we've had great success with that. We also do horn trimming. We take DNA samples of each rhino horn, and that goes into a database. So if a rhino is poached and the horn gets smuggled and it's retrieved somewhere, you can always match that DNA back to the rhino, and in that case, it might help with investigations and actually getting people behind bars. Each horn is there's a microchip inserted, and also it's got a number on it. So it's just different mechanisms to identify the horn and make sure that it matches your possession permit to own it. If you trade it, so that government can keep track of where it's going and who's got it, etc. I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.